Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over DVWA. I'm not going to be doing any scanners again, but starting off, you want to do the same thing as the other two videos and download DVWA either onto another Kali box or your own Kali box, and then you just want to browse to the IP or localhost slash DVWA, and then you can log in using admin password, and basically you can set the difficulty or the security to whatever you want. So impossible is obviously impossible or super hard anyways. We're gonna go with low, so no security measures at all. And just for the tutorial's sake, it'll be super easy to do. So the first thing we want to do is basically we have a bunch of tabs here. We can exploit all of them. So we're going to start with brute force. And basically what you can do here is you can either brute force it by just guessing, or you can use like John the Ripper or Hydra to find credentials using like text files if we didn't know what the defaults were or whatnot. But starting off, we can do admin password. We already know that works, so and there we go. Now we're logged into it. Password protected admin area. Yep. And so next up, we got the command injection. And so this is basically you're pinging a device on the web application, so you can ping like whatever 8.8.8.8, and it will hopefully submit an output or not, but it did. So it pinged 8.8.8.8. But instead of doing that, we're going to try to do something else. We want it to actually work. So the way you end a command is with a semicolon. And so we're going to try doing like semicolon, who am I? And there we go. So now we see that we actually accessed the database basically. So now we can do maybe a host name. Host name is Kali. Or we can do a IP adder. Now we have the IP of the device. So if we were on the application and we didn't know the IP, we can just get it from there. We can also do something like ls to look at the directories. And one directory in particular that has a ton of information is you go .. I don't think that does anything, but if we do, I think it's that many. Yeah, I think it's that many. Maybe not. Oh, I didn't do ls. ls, I think it's this many. Yeah, so now we have home, Etsy, we got user, we got all the good stuff, run, root. So I don't think, would this do anything? Yeah, so we're just basically going the opposite way down when we do that, trying to get to the very beginning. And so we can do that and then do Etsy and then do password. Maybe that's wrong. Etsy. Yeah, Etsy. And then we got is there a password file? I don't even know. Yeah, password. I just typed it in wrong, I guess. But yeah, so you get the idea for this one. And so moving on, we can go to CSRF, and basically we can change the password for our user on this tab. And what I did is I used Burp Suite to intercept the packet request to get more information on the actual request when you send it through. And basically you can use the request and kind of change it yourself and turn it into like a link someone can click on, and if they click on it, then it's going to change their password. Like if you put the link somewhere on the website and they click on it, it would change their password, which I thought was cool. So then with file inclusion, we have basically we can click on one of these. It says our IP, but the thing we want to look at is the URL. So we have page equals file1.php. So what if we change that? We can change that to something, say, let's try .. / I don't know if this is going to work, but no. So, but one that I know works was previously we found one. Was this one? No. Etsy password. Yeah, there we go. So basically we went down the directory again, as we did in the command injection tab, to the Etsy and then to the password. And this time it prints out everything we want, all the user information, whatnot. So as we did in the first video, we could take all this, get the shadow, and find all the user privileges, but we're not going to do that here. And you know, another one we can do that I looked at was proc version, and that just says the version of the box, which is good information to have. Next we can go to file upload. I didn't do anything here because I didn't have the module installed. Same with insecure captcha. I didn't set that up. But we can move on to SQL injection. There's two of them here, so I just stuck with the regular SQL injection. And basically we can type in different things. So like user ID 1, admin 2. So we're getting hack me. That's funny. But yeah, we can get that by just typing in an ID number, just random numbers. But we can also try other commands. So we can do like a or equals. I believe that works. Maybe not. That or equals. Is that? I forget. Let's try something more simple. Union select null. So yeah, we can try different things like that. So this is all on my GitHub also. In case you can't see that I'm typing certain things, but we can do, you know, union select. We can do another thing like null concat first name 0x0a password from users, and we should get a list of the users. Yeah, right here. You know, there's a bunch of other things we can do with that, but we're just gonna skip over that. And next we can go to some cross-site scripting. Again, there's 3 different ones. I decided to go with reflected. I'm just gonna show you that for now. So we can try a basic command script, such as this. You do script alert. It's just a basic alert. Say it says hacker hacked, and you end the script, and it should, yeah, there we go, we got a pop-up. So yeah, we can script cross-site scripting into that. Yeah, which is pretty cool. Another thing we can do is script alert instead of alert. hacked, we can do something like document.cookie, and that will bring us to here. Security low, which is what the DVWA server is set to, and the SSID. And yeah, that's basically what I have for you guys on DVWA. You can explore it more. You don't have to explore it all, but you can basically just play around with it. And if it's too easy on low, you can always change it to medium or high or impossible. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.